Hi, my name is Marco Brown. I'm going to talk to you today about one of the most common questions we get asked regarding alimony here in the state of Utah, and that is, how long am I going to pay alimony? But before we get to answering that question, we have to answer the question, am I going to pay alimony at all? And here's our rule of thumb regarding timing of your marriage and whether or not you pay alimony. If you've been married 0 to 4 years, you're pretty unlikely to pay alimony. If you've been married 5 to 6 years, maybe. We have to work the numbers and really see. If you've been married for more than 7 years, so 7 years and over, then you're very likely to pay alimony. So that brings us to how long are you going to pay it if you're paying alimony. And you can pay alimony up to the length of your marriage. So if you've been married for 20 years, then you could pay alimony for 20 years. Now, do you actually pay alimony for 20 years? Usually not. Usually, you end up paying alimony somewhere about half the length of your marriage. So again, if you've been married for 20 years, you're looking at maybe 10 years. Who knows, maybe it's 9 years or 12 years, but somewhere in that kind of middle range most of the time. And we also get asked a lot, can it go beyond the length of the marriage? So could I pay more than 20 years? Almost never is the answer. And that's because to get beyond the length of the marriage, you have to have extraordinary circumstances. So maybe, an example of that would be your spouse is disabled and absolutely can't work. In that sort of situation, you would pay more than 20 years. But those sort of situations are very, very rare. So you're going to pay somewhere usually in the neighborhood of about half the length of your marriage. If you have any questions about alimony or about your divorce, feel free to give us a call. Thank you.